So here you can see that I already have a recorded footage which has been edited from our previous lesson. So let us just quickly export this as a video to be shared with other people in different ways. So in order to do that, let us just go on to the top right corner where it says share. So let us just click on it, and here you can see that there are different options right here. But in this lesson, we're going to quickly create a video file only. So we're going to click on local file. So once we click on local file, you get to this production widget like this. So here you can set out the settings, but we're just going to leave everything to default right now. So we're going to hit next right here. Hit next again, MP4 is the selection, hit next. And here you can produce a controller, but I'm just going to disable this out. We're going to look all of this in future lessons. So we're just going to hit next again. And over here, now you can see there's options, just hit next, don't worry about anything. And now here, I'm just going to uncheck out everything right here. I don't want to work around with anything. I just want to keep things simple. So now this is the area where I want to select a particular folder where the video file will be exported. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to choose the export folder inside of desktop and press save, just like this. So now this is the file name, as you can see, and I can just hit on finish. And what happens is that the rendering process, that is the processing of the video, starts. And the processing is quite fast right about now because the video file is not very complex and does not have much elements or time. So it has completed processing just like this, and the video file is exported onto the export folder. So once you open that out, you can see that the video file is here, and this is an MP4 file. So you can share this with people in different ways. You might want to upload this in YouTube. You might want to share this through Google Drive. So you have an option to export the video out just like this. And that is how you can quickly export a video file from Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.